Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be featuring this hair. This hair is from UNicehair. This is the 24-inch Brazilian curly wig. It's 180% density and it is $193.76. This hairstyle in this portion of the video right here, I will have a separate video showing you how I did this hairstyle and makeup, so I will link that down below when it's available. You guys, so I'm just starting off by showing you the inside construction of this wig. One thing I want to say, there's not a lot of lace on the front area of the cap, so it's like a 13 by 4, but it's giving me 13 by 3 vibes. But yeah, that's the only thing about it that I'm gonna say. I'm using my Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation. This is what it looked like. You can screenshot it. I'm in the color 14. This is what I use to put on my lace every single time. I'm also going to link my detailed tutorial and how I customize and cut my lace so you guys can see that. I'm going to show you a little snippet of me cutting the lace around to fit my hairline, but that detailed tutorial is going to be linked in the eye above. Anyways, I'm just using my eyebrow razor. I'm just cutting around my natural hairline just to make sure that this wig is going to lay properly, and that's basically it. I want to tell you guys, this wig is super beautiful. It does have a slight uniform curl, so if you like that look, this wig is the best wig for you. I will say I feel like this wig is going to last maybe a good 10 months maybe. Like if you get this wig, it should last a good 10 months. The hair doesn't shed too much, and what else can I say? The lace is very thin, so you will not have no problem blending. As you can see right here, it's no problem blending the lace at all. The hair doesn't really fall out, and for 180% density, this hair is super thick. So if you love you some thick hair, this is the best hair for you. But I do recommend that you guys looking at other videos just to see other people's opinion on this wig. This is their Brazilian curly wig, so make sure that you guys check out other videos before purchasing. This is my Tropic Touches head satin scarf. If you want to purchase one, I will have my email down below. You can email me or DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the description box and the screen. You could DM the Tropic Touches Instagram. So all I'm doing right here is just hot combing my hair going back. This just makes it more natural, and you can see how melted this is already. All I'm doing is plucking the baby hairs because I hate thick baby hairs. Make sure that you're plucking your baby hairs, guys. So just the little work that you put into your wigs can change it tremendously. Like I plucked this baby hairs for like 15 minutes and it was beautiful. So that's all I'm doing right here. And make sure you pluck the little sideburn area because you don't want that to be too thick. I was gonna attempt to do some Arrogante baby hairs, but it did not come out so right, and I don't know why, because my baby hairs be coming out popping, but it was a little bit of struggle trying to get this right, and I cut it a little bit too short. But I'm just gonna leave you guys so you guys can see me struggling. And yeah, this video is very self-explanatory. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the hair. If you have any more questions, leave them down below. I can't think of any more to answer, to be honest. This wig got to me in like 2 to 3 days. So shipping was very good. But as I said, I want you guys to search up other videos of people that paid for their hair to see what they say about shipping, because I know sometimes it's different for everybody. You guys, so I finished the baby hairs off camera and I just tied it back down with my scarf. This scarf is so popping, like literally it could bend into the tiniest piece of fabric, or you could have it big, or whatever you want to do. I will have my email down below so you guys can purchase. Right here I decided to do a side part. I don't know why, but I tried doing a side part, but as I told you before, the parting area is not too much, so we had to compromise, and I did like a deep U side part. So you can see me right here just swooping that hair into that U area. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just swooping that, and I did go in with my hot comb and press it out into the area, into the U area that I wanted. I hope this is making sense. Obviously you guys can see, but I hope what I'm saying is making sense. I don't want to just be rambling, which I always do. If you want this to be more defined, you can go in with your highlighting concealer and trace out the U line that you did, and that would be perfect. So right here, I'm just going in with some water. I did end up actually going to the bathroom and putting more water on this hair because the spray bottle was just taking too long and I did not have time for it. So right here, I'm just combing it out, and yeah. I did put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I used the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner, and you guys can see how flawless this looks. Tell me if you loved this video and if it was helpful in any kind of way. Leave a comment down below, and also don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I appreciate y'all so much. I think I'm still doing the hair. I went ahead and did a zigzag part, and I think I did a braid. But yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick. If you got to this part of the video, I want you to comment down below some orange hearts, so I know that you've seen all the way over here to this part of the video. This video was very enjoyable to make. I will link my other video down below so you guys can check it out as well. Okay, you guys, so we're coming to the end of the video. I just want to say thank you to UNicehair for sponsoring this video. All their links to their websites and wig will be in my description box so you guys can check it out. Make sure you check out other videos before purchasing if you want to feel more secured. But yes, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys loved it and enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to comment down below. I appreciate y'all so much. Thank you for your constant support. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Making love to the beat so slow. Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow. I'm in fuck with a G, girl, you already know.